Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing fantastic and are having a great day. Well, I'm still in my garage. I've just made the previous video. If you've seen it, it was my second Queen's Beast in the 2-ounce series out of 5 so far, so I'm getting there. This is going to be a proper unboxing. It's not opened yet. And this one, I believe, it comes from Silverback Stacker, by the name. Just for the record, this is how he sent it. Handmade gift with a value of $10, which is perfect because I don't get hit with any fees. Let's open her up and see what we get. Time for the trusty old knife. Try to do this and not cut the ruin the camera here whilst I'm doing it, but I have no idea what's in it. He's had 100% free reign to send me whatever he wanted to, and that's what he's done. Okay. I got another box. Well, that was the outer packaging. So I got a box now to open. Just looking for the best way to get in this thing, because it's... Oh yeah, there we go. But... yeah, I'm quite excited. I have no idea what's inside of here. I know the Silverback Stacker has kept this very secret from me, but now we're both going to find out together what it is. Let me move my arm around. Let's just double check. Yeah, top's clear. Cool. Okay. Bubble wrap. I'm just double checking there's nothing personal. I got something here. Excellent, excellent. Oh yeah, we know that face. Alright, let's find out what I got. Just open it up here for... Don't want to cut the monkey. I say monkey, it's actually a gorilla, so let's not cut the gorilla, shall we? Oh, it's a certificate of authenticity. I'm not gonna look inside or whatever. It just says thank you on the back. So, I haven't opened up what's inside of that yet. I'll do that later. Let's see what's inside of here. Probably could do this with my hands. Just get around the camera. Ta-da-ta-da. And we are almost in. I believe we're in enough to, yeah, we're in enough to start doing this. Alright, so we're going to find out what this is together, guys. Oh, okay. I see something unusual. Oh, cool. That little squirrel. With a nut. Awesome. Make sure you stick around to the end to get some photos of this, but wow. So let's just open up the authenticity card here with a nice raised seal here. I'm gonna have to move the camera, I'm afraid, because I can't see it in this light in the garage. Silverback Genuine Squirrel, 1.5 ounces Troy, $9.99 fine silver, Silverback. And there's his details down below. He also has a Facebook, a YouTube channel, and I highly recommend that you guys go check him out. This is awesome. This is really awesome. And yeah, it says 1.5 ounces Troy. It feels pretty weighty to me, but I think that's pretty cool. That is a very detailed cast. So, here's looking at you. I mean, the details come out. You would have thought that this has come out of like a proper toy. And look at the shine that can be achieved as well. That is awesome. But I do like that he hasn't fully polished. Well, it has polished up, but he hasn't gone all the way into the crevices. So you can see, like, on the tail, the lines. But yeah, I am well happy with that. Silverback Stacker, a huge shout out to you, bud. This is awesome. I love it. As I said, I gave you complete free reign to do whatever you like to do. And yeah, you definitely came through, bud. More than pleased, more than happy with everything that you've done. Guys, please check them out. Please go over, say hi if you're not a member. Say that you've seen, you know, the lovely squirrel. I'm going to call it Squirrel, the Nutty Squirrel, because, well, squirrel has a nut, not in its mouth yet, but there you go. Kind of ambitious. It's a rather large nut for its mouth, but there we go. And thank you for watching, and please stay tuned at the end for the photos. Have a great day. Bye for now.